Welcome back to Sushi Artistry. In this episode, we'll dive deeper into the world of sushi roll designs and master more intricate techniques. Let's start with the dragon roll, a classic favorite. Watch as the chef expertly layers fresh avocado, cucumber, and succulent shrimp tempura onto the sushi rice. Next up, we have the rainbow roll. Witness the chef's artistic touch as they arrange vibrant slices of fresh fish, including tuna, salmon, and yellowtail, on top of a California roll. Now, let's explore the intricate spider roll. Observe as the chef delicately places crispy soft-shell crab, cucumber, and spicy mayo inside the roll, resulting in a delectable combination of flavors. Moving on to the volcano roll, a true masterpiece. Marvel at the chef's creativity as they shape a roll filled with spicy tuna, cream cheese, and scallions, then top it with a fiery volcano of spicy mayo and tobacco. Prepare to be amazed by the intricate caterpillar roll. Watch as the chef meticulously layers thinly sliced avocado over a roll filled with eel, cucumber, and sweet eel sauce, creating a lifelike caterpillar appearance. Let's now explore the intricate art of creating the sakura roll. Admire the chef's precision as they delicately wrap a roll filled with pink-hued crab meat, cucumber, and mayo with a sheet of soy paper, resembling cherry blossoms. Lastly, we'll delve into the intricate details of the geisha roll. Witness the chef's artistry as they skillfully combine fresh tuna, avocado, and spicy mayo, then wrap it with a vibrant pink soy paper, creating a roll that pays homage to the elegance of a geisha.